Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Brittany. So in today's video I have another human hair wig review for you guys, and I'm going to be styling this wig from Ashimary in a bun. This is a 360 wig, so if you want to see how I got this look together and hear my thoughts about this wig, then just keep on watching. Guys, I am back and I have finally finished this wig. I'm gonna go ahead and read the specs on this wig. This is the Invisi-Strap 360 wig from Ashimary. This is a lace frontal and it is a water wave texture, 24 inches. You guys got to see the full length when I tried the wig on. It does have a gorgeous water wave texture. I like the length on the wig. So it has bleached knots, pre-cut lace, and you can wear it glueless, and it does come with a 3D dome cap. So, and any coupon codes that I have, they will be linked down in the description box for you guys. So because this is a 360 wig, they wanted me to style it in a bun, and I don't typically do this because styling wigs in a bun can be it's just a lot more work than just styling it all the way down. But this is not my first time doing it. I recently did another one. If you are a beginner, these types of styles are going to require more work. If you are busy, just know that this is going to require more work than just wearing it down. But what you can do is pre-style it. Like, get your mannequin head. I have this mannequin head here, and I do have a wig stand. I'll link both of those in the description box for you guys. And what I did was I put it in a ponytail with my T-pins while the wig was on this, because when you're doing it on your head, it's a little bit hard to like get the styles right when it's on your head. So if you have a wig stand and a mannequin head, definitely utilize it so you can like pre-style your wig. I just feel like it's a lot easier that way. I got the hair in a ponytail and I just twisted the base, the ponytail itself, and then wrapped it around the base and put some bobby pins in it. That's super easy to do that. But because this is a 360 wig, it does come with pre-cut lace all the way around and even in the back, so you can glue this down and wear it in a high ponytail. But just like I said in that other video where I did updo, I can't see back there and I don't want to stress myself out with more work. So the workaround is bringing out little wispies and tendrils all the way around so you can conceal the lace in the back of the wig. So I'm sure it's not perfect, but I think this looks good. And then I took out a couple of pieces in the front just to give the hairline a little bit more character, and I think it looks more realistic that way. Pros and cons with this wig. As far as the cons go, I would like this to be just a little bit more beginner friendly as far as not having to wear any adhesive. I'm using a temporary adhesive on this wig because my cap was on the bigger side. I don't know if they have different cap sizes. Let me check. Because my cap was big and my lace didn't lay all the way flat. So they have one standard cap. So I had some lace buckling in the front, so I did have to lay it down with my adhesive spray. That's pretty much my only con. I just wish the lace was easier to wear glueless. I utilized the wig all the way up until I got to my temples, and then around here I cut off the lace and then brought out a little bit of my edges, put a little bit of gel on my hair just so it would curl up and, you know, blend better with the wig. And any lace that you see on the side, I added some matte black eyeshadow to finesse it and fool the eye. That's what you gotta do with these wigs. Just play around and finesse it. And this style actually turned out really cute. Okay, so I did a sunlight test for you guys on camera and in the house. The lace looks pretty good, but outside you could see my lace. Overall, I think I did a great job with getting this wig together. If you are a beginner, I feel like this is going to be a little bit difficult for you. Just take your time if you are a beginner, but if you are intermediate to advanced, you'll get this down pat. Just bring out the little tendrils and cut them down a little bit, just the perimeter around the wig, just so you can conceal like any lace that's showing, and it gives it a more effortless look when you pull out a little bit of those little wispies from the wig and then trim them down. And then put the wig in a bun on a mannequin head instead of doing it on your head. That's what I would recommend. It makes it a lot easier. So if you are interested in this wig, you can head over to Ashimary and pick it up there. Shout out to them for sponsoring today's video, and shout out to you guys for supporting my channel. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Drop a comment down below and let me know what you think about this wig and how I styled it, and if this would be like something that you would try. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.